Hey guys, welcome back. In this video I'll be showing you how you can buy USDT on OKX. So in order to buy USDT on OKX, all you have to do is just make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the instruction as guided. So basically, when you're actually buying a crypto or an asset on OKX, you have to go and log in into your account, and along with that you need to make sure that your account is verified. Unless and until if your account is not verified, then you'll not be able to proceed on. So basically, you have to go ahead and tap on the trade icon if you want to buy any sort of asset, and from here you need to go ahead and select buy located right at the bottom. So then you need to go to buy crypto, and it's going to ask you to verify your identity. In my case, I'm not verified, so I won't be able to proceed on to the next step. So basically, you have to verify and enter in the exact asset that you wish to buy, and enter in the exact amount and all sort of payment source and all that, and confirm the order, all that, and you'll be notified with a statement that you've successfully bought USDT on OKX. So in this way you can buy crypto or asset on OKX. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.